with his immediate family members.
Rirare igogona ria mwanya arutwo aya makihumbo thumbi no riu kifarwa kinene kiria kiri mbere yao ni uria mekwiyonera mieke ya mawira.
Finally the heart.
Akiaria hindi ya igogona riri uria wari Vice Chancellor University ya Kenyatta Olive Mugenda ni oritie arutwo aya kuhuthira ugi uria maregwatire guthondeka mieke ya mawira handu ha gweterera kwandikwo.
We can solve many problems and address challenges using technology. This university, through some of your students, has demonstrated this already. You have heard of self-driven cars, smartphones that can diagnose your disease and prescribe treatment, among other technological advancements. All this requires that the young generation like you prepare by acquiring the knowledge and skills that will prepare you for this current and future technological states.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Vice Chancellor wa thukuru uyu Njenga Munene ni oritie arutwo aya gutuika kionereria kiega na kugia na uigĩrĩrĩki makiria muno riria megũikarania na muingi. Makiria ya arutwo 1,400 nio marahumbirwo thũmbĩ igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandĩrwa.